Cracking your knuckles doesn't damage your joints. It's just proof you slept through your science classes. Here's what's really going on. Your joints are filled with synovial fluid. Inside that fluid, gases like CO2 and oxygen just chilling. Now stretch your fingers fast and pressure in the joint drops. That drops forces the gas to form bubbles, and when those bubbles burst, you get the satisfying pop. Nothing's breaking. Here's what the part no one talks about. Try cracking the same joint again right away and nothing happens. That's because it takes 20 to 30 minutes for the gas to dissolve back into the fluid. No gas, no bubbles, no sound. So no, you're not ruining your joints. You're literally triggering a microscience demo with your fingers.